Hey, come on, come with me. I found 2 vintage outboard motors on Craigslist for $50 each. We're going to hurry up and go pick them up. I'm going to show you how to flip those $50 barn find motors into at least $350 profit. We got to hurry up before somebody else gets to them. So jump in the Jeep with me. Let's go get them. Okay, so we're on our way now. It's about a 45-minute drive, so we have time to talk. So we are flipping a vintage outboard motor. That's what this video is all about. And why, you might ask, would you want to flip a vintage outboard motor? Well, the basic reason is we want to make some money. So that's the objective here, is to find a vintage outboard motor for a low cost, do the bare minimum to make it reliable, and then sell it for a profit. Now, there's a couple of ways we can make money on this. All right, we can either flip them or sell them out for parts. So for $50 a motor, I'm not even going to check compression when I get there. When I get back, we'll look at them. I'll check compression, and if everything looks good, we'll get them running and flip them. If not, we'll just take them apart and part them out. There's 2 ways to make money: flip them or part them out. So I found the motor on Craigslist. A guy had 2 of them listed for $150, and I convinced him, talked him down to $100 for both motors. So we're going to pay $50 per motor. I think the second step of making them reliable, with my experience, I think less than $100 I can make that motor run. Whatever it takes, compression, spark, and fuel to make it run. Then we got to change the impeller, the gear case oil, service it. I think if all goes right, for $100, that's $150. I'm going to list it for about $500, and we should be able to make $350 profit. Shouldn't take more than a couple hours. So if my math is right, $350 profit divided by 2 hours, that'd be $175 an hour. Good way. And another reason that we're doing it is it's a great hobby. Vintage outboard motors are a great hobby. I promote it on my YouTube channel all the time, and you can stay busy and you can turn it into a profitable business and make some money. So that's what we're after. All right, so there is a note that I'd like to add right here. I am into the vintage motors. When I say vintage motors, I'm talking about early 1970s, 60s, and 50s with the points cause of condenser ignition, magneto ignition. That's my passion. I do restores, repair, mail-in repair, sell parts. I don't flip a lot of motors. I'm making this video to help all my subscribers out there who want to make a little money and don't want to sell parts or do the repair work. You can flip them. If you're interested in the newer motors after 1977 and further, they have the CDI ignition in them. There's a YouTube channel called Boat Busters. This guy specializes in flipping boats and motors, boats and outboard motors of the newer style. I highly recommend him. He's a great guy, reliable, love his videos. So if you want to flip the newer motors, go to Boat Busters YouTube channel. He'll sort you out. If you want to do the vintage motors like I do, I'm your guy. T Mike's the man. All right, so we're getting close. A couple of things I want to say about this: finding the motor. All right, Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace are the place to find these motors. I found this one on Craigslist. I'm going to add a caveat here. When you're doing the exchange, it's best to meet at a public location drive up to the customer's place. You never know. Times are crazy right now. You never know what you're going to come across. But we're meeting at a gas station halfway. The guy's name is Mike. I talked to him on the phone. Sounded like a great guy. I actually told him what I'm doing. And I actually mentioned that I might be donating one of the motors. And he was all about that. He's actually seen my YouTube channel, so he knows the Mike. So we're meeting halfway. I'm going to film it. He agreed to be filmed on the video. So I'm going to film the exchange. I'm going to give him his $100, pick up the 2 motors, and we're going to head back. So hope all goes well. We'll see. I'm starting to drive up right now to the spot. All right, I'm here with Mike, and we got the 2 motors out here. Can't beat it. $100 for both of them.
There you go.
Can't beat it. So we're gonna take these motors back. I'm gonna try to flip the 9.5. I think I can get $500 for it if I can get it running good. And I think the Sea King, in a previous video, I was looking at venturing out to a different model motor, and I think I'm gonna try to get this Sea King redone and donate it. I think I'm gonna donate it to the local Boy Scouts or the school or somebody to promote the Sea King motors. That might be my next brand. So Mike's a great guy. He made me a good deal, dropped $50 off of the price. That don't hurt. So I'm gonna take them back, see if we can get them going. Here we go. All right, we got the 2 motors in the back of the Jeep here. I didn't check compression. It is a good idea if you're buying these motors to ask for compression check or check them. I didn't check compression. I'm going to assume they do. We're going to check it first off. So we're headed back to the lake. I'm going to pull them out, probably power wash them, check compression, and see if we can get it going. I really like the little Sea King. I'm not sure which one we're going to flip, but we'll decide. Anyway, the adventure was great. Let's get them home and get started on the project. All right, I got my 2 motors here, and the question is going to be flip or part out. Did not check compression. They might be locked up for all I know, but I know I can make money. Let's see how much it'll be. Let's start with the 9.5. Ooh, it looks pretty rough inside. Pretty rough. Oh my God, that thing is locked up solid. Yeah, it doesn't even have a rope on it. No rope. Locked up. Okay. Does have the carburetor on it. It's got the prop. So let's start with this is gonna be a parts out motor for sure. I'm gonna give you the cost and the profit on it. We paid $50 for it. Okay. So the prop on it here, that's $50 right there itself. Prop cap nut, that's another $20. The clutch dog and the gears inside, I'm gonna estimate that at $100. All right. Get up in here, carburetor's $45. Flywheel's another $40. Rewind starter, $50. All the knobs, all the linkages, that's another $50. The throttle shaft, the linkages, all that parts, another $40. So there's the math. We can do all the add up on that. And there's the profit. Cha-ching! Parts out motor. Now let's see if my Sea King here is worth anything. I did not even open the hoods when I bought these at $50 a motor. Can't go wrong, oh my God. It's got a magneto, but no parts on it, no flywheel. It does have the carburetor. So $50 motor. Once again, this is compatible Johnson Evinrude Sea King. It's a Gale product, same thing. Props, $50, $20, $100. Carburetor, 50 bucks. Same thing. If you do the math on that, here's the profit. Cha-ching! So the question was, flip or part out? And the answer is, we're parting them out. Parting out these two motors and still making a profit. For 50 bucks a motor, can't go wrong. Parting them out. So that's the process. Picking up motors and flipping them or parting them out to make some cash money. Easy to do. Easy to do. There's millions of them out there, and there's a market for them to sell them. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If it helped you out, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the like button. And don't forget to check out my vintage outboard motor parts store, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. See y'all next video.